Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right model for the job, diffusion for generative edits, specialized portrait nets for faces. Once chosen, open the photo and save a copy named File Name Original, JPG, so you never overwrite the source. Next, state a clear, measurable goal. Restore damaged areas, reduce noise by 50%, or shift color warmth to +10. Make sure to note output dimensions and focal subject. This guides prompt choices and tool settings, so your edits stay intentional rather than arbitrary. Once the initial setup is ready, run a conservative first pass. Set strength around 0, 3 to 0, 5 to see major changes without losing detail. Then mask critical regions, skin, eyes, background, perform edits on separate layers so you can backtrack. After that, iterate from coarse to fine. Reduce denoise while increasing local sharpness, nudge color balance toward your target, and rerun small prompt adjustments. This stepwise approach preserves texture and prevents overprocessing, which is why incremental changes win over one big edit. To finish, compare edits to the original and export the master copy. Choose TIFF for archival quality and JPEG 90% for web delivery. Embed the color profile. Save a preset that stores model, prompts, seed, and parameter values so you can reproduce results later. If you see halos, blurriness, or strange textures, troubleshoot by lowering global strength, tightening mask edges, and increasing sampling or steps. One reliable fix is rerunning the affected region at higher sampling with a focused prompt. This typically removes artifacts without altering the whole image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.